Every minute your production line is underutilized, you lose revenue, efficiency, and market share. And let's be honest, manufacturing doesn't fail because of fluctuating demand. It fails because decisions are delayed, data is scattered, and resources are misaligned. Does this sound familiar? Hours wasted compiling spreadsheets from multiple systems, chasing in-transit updates, analyzing BOM component availability manually. Delayed confirmations from vendors slow down your entire planning cycle, and while you wait, your production line sits idle, costing you growth, costing you profits. It's time to change that. Introducing Besto ODM, Optimized Digital Manufacturing, a smart integrated solution that automates data compilation from multiple sources and gives you a single, real-time view of your entire manufacturing ecosystem. From procurement to production to supply chain, Besto ODM ensures complete visibility, considering vendor warehouse stock, in-transit shipments, and plant stock, all aligned seamlessly with your production plan. No more chasing spreadsheets, no more guesswork, just accurate, real-time insights and optimized resource allocation. And the results? They speak for themselves. Save up to 300 manpower hours every month. Achieve 20 to 30% faster planning cycles. Prevent stoppages caused by missing components. Cut inventory costs while improving on-time delivery performance. But here's what truly sets us apart. Besto ODM isn't one size fits all. We work with you to understand your unique challenges and deliver customized solutions that optimize your production line, maximize capacity, and keep you ahead of demand. The future of manufacturing is digital, connected, and optimized. Don't let inefficiency slow you down. Take control. Make smarter decisions. With Besto ODM. Besto ODM. Optimize today. Lead tomorrow.